The peacock is one of the most beautiful birds in the world. It is best known for its stunning tail feathers, which it spreads like a colorful fan. These feathers are not just for beauty, but also play an important role in attracting a mate. Peacocks are native to South Asia, especially India, where they are considered a symbol of beauty and pride. The male is called a peacock, while the female is known as a peahen. Interestingly, only the male has the long, colorful tail. Despite their elegant appearance, peacocks are strong birds. They can fly short distances and use loud calls to warn others of danger. The peacock is a perfect example of how nature combines beauty with survival.